Hi everyone, Lucia here. Today I have another jar. We're gonna open this one today, and before we open the jar I wanted to share with you this Jeulia Premium Artisan Jewelry box. They reached out to me and they asked me if I would try their jewelry. So I chose one item for myself and one that I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys, and I will show you exactly how they look. And they came like this, very beautifully packaged, and they have like a little catalog with their some of their products in here in the catalog. And also they sent me a silver cloth, polishing cloth, and a little bag, and the rewards program. They have a rewards program that you can register, and I will leave all the links in the description box below. And there is also a coupon for you guys if you want to go and check their jewelry. So I will tell you my opinion about this too. So this is for you guys, and this one is for me. So I chose this bracelet, bolo bracelet. This one is from their Artemis collection. And why I chose this one, because in the description it was saying that it was inspired from the ballerina flying skirt, and I just feel that this is very luxurious looking, and it's easy to adjust here. One second, adjust it here. And this one was my favorite from the collection, with the green emerald cut stones around one, and in the middle it's surrounded by other little stones. So I just love this one, the bracelet. Like I told you, it looks very luxurious, and I chose this one for one of you guys. This necklace looks like this. I will show you like this. And this one is from their Amore collection, and it has, the pendant is gold, rose gold tone, and shimmering stones in the middle also. I think this is very elegant and feminine, and it also looks very luxurious. So yeah, this one will be for one of you guys. Let me put it on the display so you guys can see it. And all you have to do is leave a comment on this video and let me know that you want to enter, and we'll do the drawing next Sunday. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, so yeah, I will leave the links for Jeulia jewelry in the description, and this is gonna go to one of you guys, and this is gonna stay with me, the bracelet and the necklace, and they are all sterling silver. Sorry, I forgot to mention this. Yeah, so leave a comment and let me know that you want to enter. Okay, so let me take this out of the way, and we're gonna open this jar today. One second, let me organize my stuff a little bit. This one was $24.99, so $25, and it's a pretty big one, and it's a mixed one. So we're gonna open it today. So thank you, Jeulia. I forgot to say thank you for this lovely gift, and thank you for sending an extra item so I can give it to one of my viewers as an appreciation to you. So okay, let's take a look at this. Cool. Now I have a bangle, silver tone, pretty wide, with some stars, and it's kind of an maybe southwestern motif on this one. Okay, I don't think it's silver, it's too wide to be silver, but yeah, I will test this one actually. Cool. Then a necklace, faux pearl necklace, 3 strands. This is like a choker. And also with rhinestones. This short one. Okay. And I have a bracelet. This one is with real pearls, stretchy, and a flower. This one is, hold on 1 second, the flower is 9 to 5 over there, marked. 3 strands, stretchy. Okay. Then I have a necklace. I like the clasp on this one. This one is with maybe glass beads, and this one is a turquoise, I think. Yep, I like the feeling of that one. And one with agates and a focal in the middle. Okay. An earring here. These are also glass beads. Like a teardrop shape. Very interesting color. It looks like handmade, this one. And a bracelet with seed beads and also some plastic beads, multicolor. And I have a ring. Oh, this is cute. This is a turtle. Very sparkly. And this one looks like brand new. I don't see a name on that one. And another stretchy bracelet with flowers, gold tone, and rhinestones in the middle. Okay. A gold tone necklace, like a Y necklace, also with a tassel and big plastic rhinestones on this one. This is pretty too, and in good condition. I don't see a name. A gold tone bangle with some light green, kind of a mint green rhinestones. No name. And I have 2 glass pendants. They look like flowers or an abstract design. I like them. Very pretty. Oh. And these are earrings, I think. This one is a pendant. Like medallion. And a gold tone, kind of an antique gold tone necklace with rhinestones. These are pretty, sparkly. Check the back. The back is not looking very good. It's kind of worn out. And I think these are earrings over there. No, this one is a ring. This one is also worn out on the band. It's pretty small. Okay. Earrings over there. What is this? It is a turtle. Turtle is China. I'm not sure what kind of a, I think this is plastic or something. Okay. I have some bangles in here, embossed. This one is marked Mexico. Probably this is alpaca, and then this one too also looks like an alpaca. It's marked 925 here, but I don't think this is silver, you guys. No, I don't know. I will test them and I will let you know. Oh, speaking about testing, so I test this one from my last jar, this liquid silver, and it is silver, and I haven't decided if I want to sell it or not yet. So I'm thinking. A cuff bangle here, not in good shape. This one, and a brooch with different metals, a copper, but yeah, this is beautiful, but not marked. With giraffes. This is very beautiful. Okay. I think this one is another necklace, and I think this is jasper. Okay. And a multi-strand necklace here, kind of a boho, maybe a southwestern style. Okay. Bangles. Oh, this is pretty too. This one is with glass beads, black glass beads. I also like the clasp on this one. 2 strands. I like this one. And a bracelet made in India, copper and bronze color, and also mother of pearl rings here, inlay. And this one is with the tag over there. This is pretty. Okay. And this is also copper. No markings. Needs a little bit of cleaning though. I think this is Native American. I think. And one with a very interesting kind of an antique gold color, and 2 stones here. I think these are dyed howlite. Not sure. Yeah, this one also needs a little bit of cleaning. Okay. This one is loft. Silver tone and antique gold tone on the chains, and flowers and rhinestones. One little rhinestone is missing over here. Okay, the back is okay. Yeah, I think. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is beautiful. With blue faceted beads, Aurora Borealis beads. Look how sparkly these are. The clasp too. It's pretty. I might test this one. This is a necklace with a fairy, I think. I hope you guys are seeing this. Okay, nothing over there in the back. This one looks like purer to me. Yeah, okay. Another necklace with plastic beads and a teardrop black faceted bead over there, dangle. And this is a necklace with this focal. I have no idea what is this supposed to be. I don't know. Okay, and 2 strands and no name. A tree of life here on a cord, on a rope. And another necklace with, I think these are glass beads, you guys. Yeah, they look like glass beads to me. I'm not quite sure. Let me check the tag. The clasp. Nothing on the clasp. This is pretty. I like the colors of the fall. Okay. Another bangle. Oh, this one, it's like the other one. Yeah, I have 2 of these. The colors are different. Okay. And a necklace with an owl. Okay. This one is silver tone and real pearls. Oh, these are pretty. This is also a short one. Yeah, but this is pretty too. I like this one. Okay. No earrings. No, this one is a brooch with an angel and a signature over there from 92. Like this in the back. Some sort of a plastic, I think. A bracelet, silver tone and purple stones in the middle. Faux stones. This is plastic. And Hamsa hand charm. A pair of clip-on earrings, black, on a card. They were $2.99. Okay. This is a bracelet with moss agate charms. I don't like the color on the bracelet, but the charms are pretty. Okay, these 2 are, oh, these are pretty. Look at these earrings. It says cat. I like these ones. And the colors too. I think this too, with heart. Okay, and these 2 with 4 turquoise. dangly, and another ring here, a fashion ring like this. Right. Oh, I have two bears in here. I'm not sure what kind of a stone is this. Is it like a blue, maybe sodalite? I'm not sure. Okay, I like these ones too. Alrighty, clip-ons. These are Monet, gold tone, and these these are without a match, all of them. I think so. A cross pendant. These two glass and screw back earrings. And these are pretty too. These are laurel birch earrings. Okay. These ones, they look like shell, also with enamel. These are marked SI, I think. Oh, okay. What else? These two. I have two elephants. Gold tone. I have an antique gold tone. Okay. Oh, and I have a cute little brooch. It's a bee with two hearts. Look how cute it is because they're moving. This is cute. I like it. Okay, and I have another turtle here with some mother of pearl and other stones here inlaid. A pendant. I don't see anything in the back. That's also pretty. I'll put it into the testing pile. These two scroll earrings, like two balls. Okay. These ones, I could close on a design on this ones. Not sure what they are, like two swans or what. And oh, these are moonstone maybe, or I think this is moonstone or labradorite. It's more towards the blue. Oh, these are pretty. One second, you guys. There is something over there in the back, but it's kind of faded, so. Yeah, I like this one. Cool. Testing. Another pair with some sort of a Chinese symbol over there, and faux turquoise. Oh, these are pretty too, but with butterflies, also close on A. I don't like the hooks on these ones, but I can replace the hooks. Yeah. And what else? These two. Not sure what happened with these two. They need a little bit of cleaning. And these two, like hematite color. and these ones with hearts, or yeah, I think these are hearts. They look like hearts to me. Oops. And these ones are with the cross hoops, cotton. Okay. And oh, I have another pair. Oh, these are so cute. They're kind of similar to the other ones. Like some sort of I think this is ceramic, and there is a glaze on top of them, and they're kind of crackled, which I like. I like that texture. So yeah, both of these. Look how cute they are. Okay, whimsical cats. And these are pretty too. Dangly gold tone and faux pearl. Okay, these are with abalone. Okay, like this. But not real abalone, it's fake. Okay, and these are all without a match. Right. Yep. Gold tone clip-ons. They're all clip-ons, but without a match. Yeah, all of them. So, crafting. Okay. Right, and that's it. I have some other little things over there. Which one was my favorite from this one? This jar. Oh, I like the cat and the bee. And this one's the bears and the bee and the turtle ring. This one too. And this necklace with the fairy. And this one with the blue. I think these are Swarovski crystals, you guys. I think. Not 100% sure, but yeah. And the pearl bracelet. This one too. It's really nice for the fall. Oh, and moonstone earrings. Okay, what else? What else do I have in here? More earrings. Yeah, this one with agate, with the agates. It's also pretty. Yeah, okay. So, this one too. Oh, the pearls. And the last one. And this one with real pearls. And the laurel birch earrings. So, how much was this one? $24.99. Not a bad jar. I don't know. I'm happy. I found some really nice stuff in here. Tell me which one was your favorite from this jar. And don't forget about the giveaway. We'll do the giveaway next Sunday. Just leave a comment on this video. And good luck to everybody. Thank you so much for coming and watching my video. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Next one will be on Wednesday. I will be live at 1 o'clock Central Time. A chit chat with Anita. So if you guys want to join us, yeah, we'll be live this Wednesday at 1 o'clock Central Time. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.